What makes our diagnostic unique is that it uncovers the true root causes as to why your team's writing and reviewing process isn't going well. A lot of times the assumption is that the engineers or the subject matter experts just can't write. Sometimes that's true. Usually the people contacting us, though, are the program managers, the supervisors, and their complaint is, my team can't write. I'm spending too much time reviewing and rewriting their documents. And the assumption is then always, well, they can't write. No one's raising their hand and saying, well, maybe I'm part of the problem. And the problem with that is that creates a blind spot, because in our line of work and with this diagnostic, we've discovered that the reviewing process is often as at fault as the writing process. Often reviewers aren't aligned. You have different people who have different ideas of what a good technical document looks like. And so it creates back and forth, it creates backlogs, it creates longer iteration cycles. The writing is usually a part of it, but the reviewing is as important as the writing. Even this assumption of tools, that we have good tools, that we have good templates. How do you know? Are you sure? It's all has to work together. So that's one thing that makes our diagnostic unique. So it cuts through the noise and gets really clear on why the writing and reviewing isn't going as well as it should be.